Hello, welcome to your weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The results are in. The JCDC's Drama and Theatre Arts Unit yesterday hosted its second staging of the FIWA Short Film Competition. There were over 17 competitors, but it came down to 3 finalists. Trade Secrets by Janelle Powell, Friend Killer by Karen Watson, and Hairport by Joel Miller. And Joel Miller took the top prize. The competitors were tasked to create a 5-minute film based on proverbs prescribed to them. According to the JCDC, the project aims to bring out the creativity of young Jamaican filmmakers. Congrats, guys.
The hit before 22.
Now, Digicel Rising Star closes off its 18th season with a 2-hour finale come Sunday, October 2, starting at 8 p.m. right here on TVJ. The show will have performances from past Rising Stars winners and guest artists. Sounds exciting. Now, this year will be the first time in Rising Stars history that 3 contestants are going into the finals. Oisin Watson, Robert Hewitt, who was the judge's wild card, and Mazine Sutherland, the producer's pick. Who will win? Have to watch and see. Now, onto the international scene, where Record Academy CEO Harvey Mason Jr. has announced that Afrobeats may be added to the list of categories at next year's 65th Annual Grammy Awards. He was quick to point out, though, the decision is not final because the categories are decided by proposals submitted by the members and not him. Afrobeats recently gained its popularity in the music industry, with leading artists such as Asake, Wizkid, and Burna Boy, just to name a few. The 65th Annual Grammy Awards will be held on Sunday, February 5 in 2023 at Crypto.com Arena in Los Angeles. That's it for your weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching. Be safe.